must be crazy for her though. Son? Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Oh my god, a lot's been happening. I've been actually playing more games on Twitch. Dre Day. If you haven't checked out Dre Day, I've been playing a lot of games over there. Recently was Fears to Fathom, I think. Go check it out.
I think we have to go out the front door or the basement where we came from.
Go. I mostly play on Dre Gaming on Twitch.tv. We ain't here for all that. We here for some ATEEZ and Chase Infinity. Is that how you say? Her real name is Chase Infinity? First of all, what a beautiful person. My god. I remember watching the movie one battle after another, and when she was doing press release, she was saying that she was a K-pop fan, she was the ATEEZ, and now she's here. Now she's in a whole ass ATEEZ video being the main girl. Who the hell? There's a lot of people in this one clip. Who is this man's? This is man's being married to Miss Chase Infinity. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Got the sniffles. They really getting married? Who is you? Who is you? Damn, that's a lot of rings. How many rings is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Damn. Oh. She is so pretty. Ah. Like bad? Like Michael Jackson bad? Because the way the hat is. Oh.
Daddy, chill.
Oh. Damn. Beautiful. Dream. I mean, he's a dreamer. Oh, yeah, the beat. Oh, okay, all dancers. No words, but say too much. Every time I wanna go and get gun, get it. Oh, he was the he was the guy literally in the middle. Oh my god. He was is it the preacher? What's the person that get people married? The one that marries them? He was okay.
Your name stuck on my tongue. No words, but say too much.
Hey.
Every time I wanna go and get gun, you stop me with one touch.
This must be crazy for her though. Son? Wait. You tell me. This man under all this was Son.
I feel like if we go Latina like.
Oh wait. Hey, shout out to my Latinas. I feel like if we go Latina like. Photoshop. Oh, okay, curves along her body got the people calling Photoshop.
She be going places, wake up in Vegas, now she don't stop.
Ooh, oh, wait, the dancers. Hey, yo, don't be spilling the food. My God, we could eat the is that taco? Hey, yo, chill, the food. Is that jalapeno peppers? Oh, they only eating jalapeno peppers. It's hot in here.
She's so
Oh my God. Oh my God, I plugged out the whole shits. Just pulled out my headphones because I was getting my ish on. I was titty twerking. He sound like he's saying bod like from the UK. She's so bod.
She's so
Bod. Oh. Bod.
She's so bad.
Daddy, chill.
I was getting it. Is he in a jewelry store? Wait, let me read the lyrics. Oh, he was speaking Spanish? Tú me tienes loco. Hey, he knows his audience. Mingy, hey, bad boy tings. The way Hangjun, my bias comes in. Look at him. Look at his pose. Look at that arch in the back. God damn. VIP. What the? Cubano. Damn. Eee.
She's so bad. She's so bad. She's so bad.
She bad with it. She bad. Oh, you feeding goats the jalapeno? Hey.
She's so used to warm and fresh, she's Mona Lisa. The way she dancing, looking when I señorita. 난 너만 바란 내가 찾던 유포리아. 너에게 바치리 나의 빅토리아.
Ooh. She controlling everybody? What's happening? I saw him hanging out with Ian recently.
She's so bad.
Ooh. Hey, get it. That hair fresh. Oh, dance battle for real? Oh, she get it in there. Oh, that's fire, actually.
I feel like if we go Latina like.
I feel like if we go Latina like. Ooh, another one. Oh, what? Not guilty. All the rings from all the members. Now I'm flexing. This shit got me wanting to twerk. ATEEZ doing it again, bro. ATEEZ doing it again. Come on. Let me see that. The rap part was so good. Actually, I love the graininess of the whole like music video being shot too. Like the color correction. This kind of hurts me, even though it's just jalapenos. You know, you just can't waste a taco. But maybe it's so hot.
She's so
Bad. Damn, Bella Figura got that peso driving me. Damn, he really be learning that. He Duolingo. ¿Dónde las maletas? Arroz con pollo, croquetas. ¿Cómo te llama? ¿Y bien y tú? Bien. Muy bueno. Okay, hot chili peppers. Damn, they really. Room. Spicy.
She's so bad.
This shit fuego. Put a comment down below what you guys think of ATEEZ Bad, featuring the lovely, amazing Chase Infinity, everybody. Chase Infinity. That's so dope. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Subscribe to Dre Day gaming videos over there. Twitch.tv/Dre Gaming. Been playing games over there. Currently playing and trying to finish 007 First Light. Patreon. Gonna be starting to upload there again consistently. And yeah. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. He's so bad.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.